AI is changing how we create and consume content. It's revolutionizing the way we approach video production, making it more efficient and effective. With AI, we can analyze trends, predict viewer preferences, and tailor our content to meet the demands of our audience. This technology is not just a tool, it's a game changer that can elevate your YouTube channel to new heights. On YouTube, AI is a game changer for creators of all sizes. Whether you're a small channel just starting out or a large channel with millions of subscribers, AI can help you optimize your content strategy. It can recommend the best times to post, suggest trending topics, and even help you with SEO to ensure your videos reach the widest possible audience. It helps us make better videos, reach more viewers, and grow our channels. Imagine having a personal assistant that can edit your videos, add effects, and even generate captions automatically. AI can do all of this and more, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content while it handles the technical details. Think of AI as your secret weapon for YouTube success. It's like having a team of experts at your disposal, ready to help you with every aspect of your channel. From content creation to audience engagement, AI can provide insights and tools that were previously out of reach for many creators. AI tools are becoming increasingly accessible. You no longer need to be a tech wizard to take advantage of these powerful resources. Many AI tools are user-friendly and designed with creators in mind, making it easier than ever to integrate them into your workflow. They offer simple solutions to complex problems, making content creation easier and more efficient. For example, AI can help you identify the best clips from hours of footage, suggest music that fits the mood of your video, and even create thumbnails that attract clicks. Whether you're just starting or have been on YouTube for a while, AI can take your channel to the next level. It can help you understand your audience better, track your performance, and make data-driven decisions that lead to growth. With AI, you can turn your passion into a thriving channel. This isn't about replacing human creativity though. AI is here to enhance your creative process, not take it over. It provides you with the tools and insights you need to bring your vision to life, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. AI is a powerful tool to enhance your skills and free up your time. By automating repetitive tasks and providing valuable insights, AI allows you to spend more time on the creative aspects of your channel. It's like having an extra pair of hands that can handle the mundane tasks, so you can focus on what truly matters. It allows you to focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience. Building a loyal community is essential for any YouTube creator, and AI can help you achieve that by providing tools for better audience engagement. From personalized content recommendations to automated responses, AI can help you build stronger connections with your viewers. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your YouTube channel? Let's dive in. With the right tools and strategies, you can harness the full potential of AI to create, grow, and succeed on YouTube. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. A successful YouTube channel needs a solid content strategy. AI can be your secret weapon in understanding your audience and crafting videos they'll love. First, AI tools excel at keyword research. They identify popular search terms related to your niche. This helps you create content that viewers are actively searching for. Furthermore, AI can analyze your audience demographics and interests. Imagine knowing exactly what your viewers love to watch. AI provides this valuable data, allowing you to tailor your content for maximum engagement. By understanding your audience and using relevant keywords, you increase your chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. This means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately a more successful YouTube channel. Struggling to come up with fresh video ideas? You're not alone. Many content creators hit a wall when it comes to brainstorming new and exciting topics for their videos. It can be incredibly frustrating to sit in front of a blank page, trying to come up with something that will engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. But what if I told you there's a way to never run out of video ideas again? AI can be your creative partner. Imagine having a tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, analyze trends, and even suggest topics based on what's currently popular in your niche. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of AI at your fingertips. With AI, you can tap into a vast pool of data and insights that can spark your creativity and help you come up with fresh, engaging content ideas. AI tools can analyze trending topics, popular videos in your niche, and even your existing content to generate new video ideas. By examining what's already working well, AI can provide you with a list of potential topics that are likely to resonate with your audience. This means you can spend less time brainstorming and more time creating. For instance, imagine you run a cooking channel. Coming up with new recipes and cooking tips can be a daunting task, especially if you're trying to post regularly. But with the help of AI, you can streamline this process significantly. An AI tool could analyze popular recipes, seasonal ingredients, and your viewers' comments to suggest new video topics, like easy summer desserts with berries. It can look at what's trending in the culinary world and suggest ideas that are timely and relevant. This way you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your content fresh and exciting. Or how about a video titled, Viewers' Choice Top 10 Chicken Recipes? By analyzing your audience's preferences and feedback, AI can help you create content that your viewers are actually interested in. This not only boosts engagement but also helps build a loyal community around your channel. Beyond generating topics, AI can also help with scripting. Writing a compelling script can be one of the most challenging parts of content creation, but AI can assist you here as well. It can help you structure your videos, write engaging introductions and calls to action, and even suggest relevant B-roll footage to make your videos more dynamic and visually appealing. AI-powered tools can help you structure your videos, write engaging introductions and calls to action, and even suggest relevant B-roll footage. This means you can focus more on the creative aspects of your content, while the AI handles the more technical and time-consuming tasks. Imagine how much more productive you could be with this kind of support. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. It's there to support you and make your content creation process smoother and more efficient. You still bring your unique voice, perspective, and creativity to the table. AI simply helps you unlock new ideas and possibilities that you might not have considered otherwise. Use these suggestions as a starting point, and add your unique voice and perspective to create videos that truly stand out. Your audience will appreciate the fresh, engaging content, and you'll find the process of content creation to be more enjoyable and less stressful. So, embrace the power of AI and never run out of video ideas again. Video editing can be, well, quite time-consuming, especially for those complex projects. But AI-powered editing tools can really streamline your workflow and help you create professional-looking videos with ease. These tools offer features like automated video transcription, scene detection, and even AI-powered noise reduction. Some tools can even analyze your footage and suggest the best cuts and transitions for maximum impact. Take, for example, the task of removing background noise from your footage. Manually doing this can be, honestly, pretty tedious. AI-powered tools can identify and isolate unwanted noise, leaving you with clean, crisp audio. By automating these repetitive tasks, AI frees up your time to focus on the creative aspects of editing, like storytelling and pacing. The result? More engaging videos that keep your viewers hooked. High-quality audio is crucial for any successful YouTube video. It's not just about what you see on the screen. What you hear plays an equally important role. Clear, crisp audio can make your content more engaging and professional, while poor audio quality can be a major turnoff for viewers. Poor audio can be distracting and, let's face it, unprofessional, causing viewers to click away. Imagine putting hours into creating a visually stunning video, only to have viewers leave because they can't stand the audio quality. It's a common issue that many content creators face. Fortunately, AI offers powerful tools to enhance your audio and ensure a pleasant listening experience. These tools are designed to make audio editing more accessible, even for those who may not have a background in sound engineering. With AI, you can achieve professional quality audio without needing to be an expert. AI-powered audio editing tools excel at tasks like noise reduction, audio leveling, and even voice enhancement. These features can help you tackle common audio issues that can detract from the overall quality of your video. These tools can automatically identify and reduce background noise, making it easier to focus on the main audio track. Whether it's the hum of an air conditioner, the buzz of a refrigerator, or the distant sound of traffic, AI can help minimize these distractions. They can also balance audio levels for consistent volume, ensuring that your voice is neither too loud nor too soft. This is particularly useful for videos with multiple speakers or varying audio sources, and even add warmth and clarity to your voice, making it sound more natural and pleasant to listen to. This can be especially beneficial for voiceovers, podcasts, and any content where clear communication is key. Imagine you're recording a voiceover for your latest travel vlog. You want your audience to feel like they're right there with you, experiencing every moment. But background noise and inconsistent audio levels can break that immersion. AI can help eliminate distracting traffic noise or wind interference, allowing your voice to come through clearly. This means you can focus on delivering your message without worrying about unwanted sounds, leaving you with clean and professional-sounding audio. Your audience will appreciate the effort you put into ensuring a high-quality listening experience, and they'll be more likely to stay engaged with your content. By using AI to enhance your audio, you can save time and effort while still achieving excellent results. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to improve their audio quality. You create a more immersive and enjoyable experience for your viewers, drawing them into your content and keeping them engaged. High-quality audio can make a significant difference in how your videos are perceived, keeping them engaged with your content. So, if you want to take your videos to the next level, consider incorporating AI-powered audio editing tools into your workflow. Your audience will thank you for it.